Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is LXT.ai website. You can earn passive money from here. This is my favorite website to earn money. You can earn money using transcription, using data, using AI, using data collection, evaluation, data annotation, generative AI. Lot of categories you can find here. Also you can find here data collection services, data evaluation services. You can see here data evaluation services. You can earn more money from here using job section. So click on job section and you can find more and more jobs from here, and there is lot of flexible jobs here. You can earn passive money from here. You can see their flexibility and equality comparison, and also support opportunities and developer skill. You can withdraw using Airtm uh, from LXT.ai. As you can see, there is lot of transaction in my Airtm account, and I have withdrawn using Airtm from LXT.ai. You can easily withdraw fund from LXT.ai using Airtm. Airtm is the most common and most popular digital wallet system in the world. It is most friendly and user friendly platform. You can see here you can earn money from custom images and videos. You can create custom image, custom videos, and AI generated data collection. You can see here LXT.ai is the most high quality platform. You can earn money from images, videos, audios. I suggest all the viewers to use this site and earn more money. You can get their introduction. You can know how they works and how they pay. You can get easily all the details from their website LXT.ai. Let started to using LXT.ai and drop a comment below if you interested to work in LXT.ai. You can message me in my comment box, and I will reply you how to get more money from LXT.ai. So thanks for today. Thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.